Hey, first graders, happy Wednesday. Can you believe that after tomorrow and then the next day, you will be a second grader? We are so proud of you and how hard you've worked. And we wish we were really seeing you, and I wish that I was going to be able to hear all of your thinking, but can we still kind of talk and look at some number sentences or equations together? I'm going to write down an equation. For a little bit it's going to look blurry, but then it'll clear up. So I'm going to write down 4 plus 5 is the same as 9. And I want to know if you think that that is true or false. Do you think that 4 plus 5 is the same as 9? I just have a feeling you're saying true. You know what I actually happen to have here? I put some Unifix cubes together, and I put 4 reds and I put 5 greens, and sure enough, 4 plus 5 is the same as 9. And I bet you could think of about 10 more ways to prove that. But I'm just going to leave that here for now, okay? Now I'm going to look at another equation. What do you think of this? 5 plus 4 is the same as 9. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put your true up here. We agreed that was true, right? So do you think this one is true? 5 plus 4 is the same as 9. Does it look at all similar to the first one? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? That I took these two add-ins and I just flipped them around to make 5 plus 4? Do you think that's the same as 9? Well, guess what I happen to have here? I happen to have another cube train, but this time I did 5 plus 4. And if we put them together, whoa, here's 4 plus 5, here's 5 plus 4. How cool is that? Another way to look at that would just be, here's 4 plus 5, here's 5 plus 4. It's just the exact same thing, right? So I agree with you. I think that that is true. All right, now, I was wondering if we could do a different equation. Check this out. Instead of 5 plus 4 is the same as 9, I was wondering if we could do 5 minus 4 is the same as 1. Do you agree with that? Is 5 minus 4 the same as 1? Let's see. Here's my 5, right? And if I take away 1, then I have 4, right? Cool. So let's go ahead and put true here. Okay, now I'm going to do just what I did before. Remember how we flipped these two numbers? And remember how the equation still was true? We had 4 plus 5, and here's 5 plus 4. We flip this guy around, no problem, right? Still the same. So right now, we just said that 5 minus 4 is the same as 1. What about this? Can I flip this around? 4 minus 5 is the same as 1. What do you think? True? False? Well, let's see. Here's my 4, right? I'm starting with 4. Let's take away 5 off of that, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no. Wait a second. I can't even take 5 off of this because there aren't even 5. Oh man. So this one, I bet you're thinking that this equation is false. Okay, this is so cool. I could do 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4, but somehow 5 minus 4 and 4 minus 5, I couldn't flip those. I wonder if I could look at some other add-ins that would go together to make a number and then try to subtract them also and see if it would work. I wonder if it has anything to do with addition and subtraction. Does it always work for one of them and never work for the other? Why don't you think about that today and see if you can figure it out, okay? I'll catch you later, guys. Congratulations, almost second grader.